Aga me beat better na la, aga ma bisala nyenna ma aga me beat better na la. Ay, aga me beat better na la, aga ma bisala nyeze aga me beat. Oh my cabo. It's alright. I share ya is alright. I share ya is alright. You're highly welcome. Welcome, 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 welcome. You're highly welcome this hour, this morning, this afternoon, and this evening. Wherever you are watching me live, please, I urge you to share. I urge you to share this program. Please try to share. I have very important message and thanks to give this moment. Please. Ichetakwara. I share is alright. I share is alright. Oh yes. This is our beloved brother, Professor Boy, the Prof himself. This is his music. So follow me, join me, and enjoy him. Okay? Please, if you are not even share this program, start now sharing it, because we are going to hit the hammer on the nail any moment from now. Yes, it's very, very important. Please don't wait. Don't wait. And don't say that you did not hear it. I want you to be live watching. I want you to enjoy this program. I want you to join me. I want you to tag everybody you know that loves good things. Okay? I think it's very important that you can be able to tag anyone that you know, because this is a very special one. I decided to do this program this morning, this afternoon, and this evening in English. Yes, because something terrible is going on. Something very important is going on. Something magnific is going on. And this is exactly the time that if you have foresight, you must join hands together. You must contribute something. You must contribute your brain. You must contribute your encouragement. You must contribute your last breath to support. I am so glad. Aisha is around. Aisha is around. Please, as you're joining me, I urge you to share this program. Okay, share this program. I am going to speak this morning in English. I started the program with our cultural music, Professor Obewe music from Ohuhu, Abia State. Okay, so but I am going to speak this morning, this hour in English, and the program is not gonna take much time. It's just a message of encouragement, to support our people who are there on the street, who are on the street right now. Those who are there now fighting for the liberation of their land. Those that are fighting to make sure that people will access their life with good things that surrounded it, not every time complaining, and don't give up. This is the time. I am still your brother, Chief Ahwezoku Uchenyaka Ekushenjoku Aka Ekuchaya Kuya Kembo, the whole world. So we have come today in another dimension. I decided to speak it in English today because this is vast. This is something tremendous, something that I have never experienced for the first time. The first time that people, the men and women, came out from their room, from under their bed, wherever they hide, and they came out on the road to say no to bad, to end up SARS. Very, very impressive. I have never seen this before. That's why I'm very happy. I have never seen such before. I know that now the law enforcement agents has pushed people on the wall. People have suffered a lot. People have, been disciplined enough. People have received insult enough. People, have suffered for long period of time. And now this is the hour that people want to show their grievances to the world. So please come out and encourage those gallant men and women, those people that on the street right now throughout the land in Nigeria, anywhere they are. Please, I urge you to encourage them. And please, don't hide your face. It's time to come out. This is not about politics. This is not about being APC. This is not the matter of being PDP or anything you can be. This is not the time to say those things. Oh, it's political. It's not the time, man. This is the time that you have to come out from your bed. You have to leave that your fucking room and you come outside and join the protest. Okay? The bag of rice is 40,000. It doesn't mean whether you are, doesn't matter if you are APC or PDP. The fuel is 160 naira per liter. It doesn't matter any party you belong to. You have to put this in your skull. You have to understand this, that now the life is very difficult for people. People cannot access anything in their life. They can't eat good food. They can't have a good breathing. They can't breathe well. They can't even go anywhere. They don't even enjoy their life amenities. Guys, this is the time, the great opportunity for you to get out from your bed, from your room, and join the protest now. Join them. Anywhere you are, join them. Let everybody have one voice. Let everybody say no is no. Yes is yes. Okay? Yeah, don't wait till 4 years before they can give you a bag of rice, half bag of rice, 1 cup of milk, 1 cup of onions. This is not the time. Don't wait till 4 years. This is the time. Answers and all the whole demand, all the whole embarrassment, all the whole things that is going on in the land. This is the time everybody will come out and show it. Don't say you are not among, you are not included. No, come out. Okay? Get out from your room right now. Anywhere you are, get out. Look at what is going on in the airport. Such atrocities that's going on in our airport. Go and see by yourself how people are suffering. People that did not commit any crime. You just come back. You start from there suffering. You start from there, hitting the floor with all sort of problems, all sort of sufferings, all sort of intimidations right from there. All this must stop. Okay? So you have to come out from your room right now. Don't wait. Don't wait until everything will gone. No. And remember, don't compromise this movement. Don't compromise it. Don't collect money. Okay? Don't collect money. It's not the time. I know when our people hear about money, their head will explode. Their eyes will open. When they hear about money, bribe, they like bribe. They want bribe. Give me bribe. Give me bribe. You have been collecting bribes since ages about PDP, APC. All the whole parties, you collect bribe, you put in your pocket room. Where have you been with that? What have you done with that? Where is the money? Where is that your bribe? I am asking you. It's not the time. It's not a question of bribe anymore. It's a question of what people need. What people need. The want of the people. The voice of the people. Come out from your room. Come out. Get out from that room. Join others. Let everybody have one voice. No division. So that the sufferings of people can come to an end. We have everything it takes to make things happen. The country has everything. Everything is there. But because of the bad leaders, nobody can take care of all those things. So it's time for you to get out from your bed, get out from your room, leave whatever you're doing, and come out and protest and let the land to survive. Are you complaining for intimidations from police brutalities? Are you complaining of this thing all the time? Every time intimidations, every time, even though you put anything green, the soldiers will come and hit you, kill you, do your sort of crap. It's time to get out from your room to come and join hand. Come and join hand. Come and join hand right now. Don't stay in your home, okay? You have been in that home for years. Nothing happened. The fuel is still rising. A bag of rice still rising. Extortion is every day. So you have to come out right now. Okay? That's why I'm so happy. Oh. Prof Obewe Ijin Nonota. Yes, please, my beloved brothers and sisters, if you get this message, I urge you to continue sharing, okay? Share. Share it. Share plus share. Share. Okay? I'm encouraging our youth. I am so glad. I am so happy. I am so excited that they can take a such decision that they want to, to utilize their talent. They want good life. They deserve good life. They deserve good road. They deserve hospitals, good ones. They deserve health cares. These people deserve good food. They deserve good breathing. They deserve a lot of good things in life. Why can't they have them? It's this time everybody come out from your room, man. Get out from that your room. Join people with one voice, one spirit, and win the war once and for all. People have suffered. People are crying every day. You have been crying every day. From 4 years to 4 years, you have been crying. Come out now, okay? I think this is the time. This is the appropriate time you're gonna hit. You're gonna strike in a good way so that the government will know that every time people must win. Okay? So don't say that, I am not included. No, you must include yourself right now. Join your people. Let this war once and for all, please. And I encourage people, please, whatever you can contribute, food, water, wherever they are, please join and give them, assist them. Let everybody join hand now. Don't hide under your door, behind your door, speaking wow. No, this is the time you're gonna come out from your room to join the people on the street, okay? Join them right now. Join them, assist them. That is your right. That is your civil right. You have the right to protest, man. You have the right to show your grievances to the government. You have that right. It's your own fundamental right. Don't hide your face. It's time you get out from your room and join the protesters. Please, join them right now. Join. Do you need good road? Join right now to end that fucking shit hole. Right now. Do you need good light? Or right now? Everything you need is now. You can do that. You don't even need any gun to fight for your right. Only your voice and your determination. So I urge you, man, anywhere you are, Please join the protest right now. Those that are right there at home, anywhere you are, please join hand and let it happen. Please, if you are crying every day because of police have done me this, oh soldiers have done me this, oh SARS, now end the SARS and end all the whole atrocities surrounding the entire system. It's time to filter everything, flush everything right now. Don't hide. Come out, guy. Come out. Come out. A bag of rice is 40,000, right? Right? Fuel 160, I think, per liter. Is there any discount for PDP or APC? Is there any party that have discount? No. So, which means if the country is good, it's for everyone. Is there anyone that is having 24 hours power, light in his house? All the whole member of APC, are they having the light? No. PDP, did they have the light? No. Is there among them that is having good health? No. PDP, no. APC, no. Why? Because if everything is good, it's for everybody. It doesn't matter where you belong to. Things will be okay if everybody can join hands together and fight and fight and fight, and they will got it. That is the reason why I'm here today. I'm thanking the organizers, those that are responsible, those that have the heart to come out to protest, to end this fucking SARS. I love you guys. Keep it on. I give you over 100% of my support, because injustice is injustice. Injustice is injustice. We must say it. How we say it. Injustice is injustice. No matter who committed it, injustice is injustice. Or we told the one. You have to serve your land before you go, man. So my brothers and sisters, share this program, please. I want you to share it. I encourage you to share it. I urge people at home, please come out and join hand. Come and join hand with one voice, one strength. But mind you, don't take bribe. Don't take bribe. I know you are hungry, but stop taking bribe. Don't sell this very movement. Don't try to convince others to collect 100 naira, 200, 1,000, 3,000. Fuck you. If you do that, you are finished. You're gonna be in dark throughout your life. If you try to sell this very moment, that is very, very important. The international eyes right now is right upon the country. Everybody should sit up right now. Everybody should tighten his or her belt and come out and join the protest. Let everybody join the protest now and shake the foundation of the country. Let them know that people's voice is number one. Let them know that people have enjoyed. We have tried. People have suffered, smiling and suffering from year to year, from 4 years to 4 years, from 4 years plus 4 years. Amen, hallelujah, amen. 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 Amen, chai. Amen, 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 amen. Chai. Prof, ya dragma. Professor Bewe, ya dragma. Yes, I continue. My beloved brothers and sisters, I urge you to share this program. Don't hesitate. Please share right now, because I am trying to thank our people right here on the street in Lagos, in Abuja, in East, anywhere they are. They have determined to make sure that they have change. They have determined. I wish to encourage them. I wish to join them spiritually. I am with you guys. I am with you guys. Just look up first line. I'm there live. I am with you people. This is what I've been clamoring for. This is what we have been talking about. If you want change in your life, in the system, everything is now. It's now. And don't get out unless all your demand will be met. If not, zero. If they did not, please use this time as a historic period in the history of your life. Those that contributed for the change when the country is in dark. Please, it is this time. 2020. Let it be a historic year. Let it be a historic year. Be part and parcel of the revolution. Be part and parcel of the change that struck the whole thing. That struck everything down. That make life change. You are looking for visa to go to America, to go to Europe, because they had the same revolution. They changed. They said no to bad governance. This is the time. All the protesters, everywhere you are, come out. Wherever you are, come out right now and join hands so that you're not left behind. This is the sign of those that want to leave. If you don't want to leave, don't come out. If you don't want to live a good life, at least to live a life, to eat a good food, 1 square meal, not even 2. You have to come out, man. You want your business to be strong. Come out, guys. Don't wait till 4 years and receive 1,000. You join hand and say your vote. No, shit. Don't wait till 4 years. You receive just 5. They give you 1 Okada. Rubbish. Don't wait this crap. This is the time. Collective agreement, collective voice, collective strength, collective movement. This is the time that you have to join hands to make the land to be a successful land, a good land, a very, good land that filled with milk and honey. But people hijacked all those things. Every good thing that is in the land, they took it by themselves. They eat out. They use force. If possible, let the protesters demand to remove that force from the police. That's crap. Let them remove that force. We don't need police with force anymore. Remove police and remove force and leave police. Because it's so crazy. They have been, destroying the life of people, killing people, intimidating people. doing a sort of clap to people, and people are quiet enough. It is too much. Let everybody get out and vote and start protesting right now and let the world know, because the eyes of the world is right there right now. I can assure you that the whole eyes are there watching. So don't left behind. I urge you guys. I advise you, man, all those that are in Abuja, in Lagos, in wherever you are, where in Abia, come out right now, join hand, and fight for your right. This is your legitimate right, man. We love it. The same protest is going on the whole world. Nothing. Nigeria is not. We're not left behind. So it's your legitimate right, okay, to come and complain and show, this satisfaction to what is happening in the history of the land. Please don't left behind. I urge you to come out, and I urge you as you're coming, please. People on the street need food, they need water, they need coke, or anything that can give them strength to resist. This is fight. This is real fight. Please encourage them. Encourage them. Let there be change. If you don't want to continue paying darkness in the name of light every year, the light tariff will be upgraded, but there is no light. If you want to remain, don't come out. You continue paying for darkness. Yeah. You continue. Do you want to remain paying for your darkness in your room? Every month you pay for darkness. The house, they always, increase the tariff, the electricity tariff. But where is the electricity? Oh, Jesus Christ. What can I say again? I'm short of words, honestly. It's so annoying. You are paying for electricity, but you don't see it. At the end of the year, the tariff will be increased, and you don't even see the fucking light. This is the time to come out and say it, okay? You don't even have a good hospital. This is the actual time. The great opportunity is time. Guy, get out. Come right now and support. Come and protest. Support them. Let everybody know that really bad is bad, good is good. Don't hide. Oh, I'm not coming. Why? A bag of rice is 40,000. Are you going to buy your own in heaven? The same, a bag of rice that is 40,000. The same thing PDP buy. The same thing APC will buy. The same thing a common man on the street will buy. For that reason, if the country is good, it's for everybody. If it's bad, it's for everybody. Stop this rubbish you are doing. Get out and support those people on the street, and make sure that the criminal SASA will end, and every SWAT or what they are bringing will end, and so that Nigerians will be free. Prof, ya dregema. Ay. Didi Mary. My heart is full of joy. I have never dreamed that Nigerian youth can take a very strong decision. I did not even thought that they can. They can. I saw what happened in Lekki. amazed. I did not know that the people can come out in their mass to reject the SARS, to kill the SARS. I never know that they can. Now that they have started, don't go home. Continue until all your demand will be met. Don't even move. Don't move an inch. Stay there. Hold where you are. Stand. People are doing it. Other countries are doing it. If you need a good thing, so you have to do it anyway. You can't fight. You don't have gun. They have gun. You can't do anything. Only stay there. Your presence there is worth of billions. It was of billions. Please, you have patience. Be there. And everybody come out. Don't sleep. Leave that your girlfriend. Leave that your wife. Leave that fucking room. That TV. Leave it. Come out right now and join the protest. Come and join the protest right now. Let the whole world see, because people are now watching. The whole world are watching. All the whole cameras now is watching Nigeria right now. Don't go and sleep. You have been sleeping for years. Fuck up. You have been sleeping for years, man. But nothing was done. Right now, why can't you stay awake within this time? Later you can go back to bed. Stay awake. Please, I am so impressed that people can mobilize in a very massive way. And if you need change, this is the time you can do it. If you need change, if you need progress, do you need employment? Guy, this is the time to hold these people in a bad way. But mind you, don't collect money. Don't collect any shit. Okay? Don't try to collect any fucking shit. Okay? Make sure that what is done in a good manner. Make sure you will maintain your strategies. Make sure you will stand without selling yourself, your respect, because of being not. Mind you. Okay? And you have to come out. Join people. Sing the song. Oh, get in afia. Prof Obewe, I just come and marry you. You see this guy, Professor Obewe, from Ohuhu, Umuahia, Abia State. If I happen to be a woman, if I cannot marry this guy, I will not marry any other person. This is my man, Professor Obewe. Chai. Amen. Chai. Yes, so. Amen. Please share this program, please. I urge you to share. Please, can you help me and share? Can you help me and share? This is my best time. This is the happiest hour in my life, to see that massive population will come out and say no to SARS. I am so impressed. I have never seen this before. They have really done well so far. They are doing well so far, and don't relent. Continue. Fight to the end. If you go, that's finished. You are gone. Now they are shaking. They are trying to bring a lot of money to give Judas his carrots. People that love money more than their life. People that love money more than their self. People that love money more than their human beings. The money is pumping in right now. Listen, don't collect that fucking money. Where did they keep that money for years? Why did not bring the money for how many years ago? People are suffering. People are in hardship. People are dying without good health care system. People are dying out of hunger. People are frustrated. People no job, no employment, nothing. Oh Jesus, man! This is the time you can come out and join those protests. Okay. If the country is good, it's for everybody, man. We are waiting for the holy great land Biafra. But before then, it's just like when you pray that you are going to heaven. You are praying to go to heaven, right? How are you going today? Are you not going to eat? Are you not going to school? Are you not going to have a good job? You're going to have all those things. Continue praying until the heaven will come. You go. But we are waiting for Biafra to come. But at the same time, people need a good life. People have to eat 3 square meals in a day, at least once in a day. People, they are human beings, they are not animals. They're supposed to have a good health care system. People are supposed to have a good road. People are supposed to have a good light. People are supposed to have jobs. Why waiting for the coming of Biafra? Okay, so I don't think that the Biafra coming can hinder Nigeria not to make sure that her citizen will enjoy life because they're human beings. And I want to use this opportunity to let the law enforcement agents to know 1 or 2 things. Number 1, you don't supposed to shoot the protesters. Those people that are on the road protesting, I think is for your own best interest too. If you look at how much they are paying you, it's just nothing. You have been receiving 50,000, 60,000, 100,000. That is nothing. When you go to hospital, how much is that? I sent my sister to run a test. Just one test is 55,000 naira. Just a test. It's not even treatment. Just a test. Okay, think about that. How much are they paying you? These people on the street, they are the people fighting for you. They are the voice for the voiceless. They just came out to fight for you. I am speaking to police. I am speaking to soldiers. I am speaking to all the whole law enforcement agents in Nigeria. Please, stop killing the protesters. Those people are for you. They are fighting for you. When you take your car to the filling station, how much do you buy fuel? The fuel is expensive. These people are fighting for you. You go to the market, you are buying rice, a bag of rice, 40,000. Are you feeling happy because you did it? How much is your salary that you are spending that type of money? You go to the market, you go to your room, you on your switch. The switch is nothing like light. You go and buy fuel, you buy generator. Sometimes you don't even know what is going on around the world. Because of what? There is no light. And these people right there on the street, these people, they are fighting for you. They want you to have all those things. They want your salary, to be increased. They want you to live like a human being, like other international police officers. Why do you try to kill them? Why do you want to hurt them? You're supposed to pamper them. You're supposed to protect those protesters. I urge you, police, law enforcement agents, please protect those people. All the whole civilians on the road right now, these people, they are there for you. They are there for you. They are there to fight for you. They are there to make sure your life is better tomorrow. Not even you, for your unborn children, for your even children. How much are they paying you? Why can't you know that Because of these people on the street, your salary will be increased. Don't you know that? They are the people that are fighting for you. I am calling on Nigerian police, soldiers, whosoever it may concern, to stop killing the protesters. The people they are for your own best interest. They are fighting for you, for your children, for your children, for those children that you have. What is your plan? How do you think that they are going to be raised? How do you think that they are going to have a good living? If you are continuing suppressing and killing people who are out there to fight for them, those voice for the voiceless, if you continue killing them, then tell me, I want you to tell me exactly how your children they are going to survive. Tell me how they are going to live tomorrow. Please, I urge you, police officers, make sure you guide those people, protect them. They are very, very important people. They are very, very special people who determine to change, to make sure that you will have 24 hours light. You will have everything. You will not even have the embarrassment. Do you know the type of embarrassment you used to receive on the road as a police officer? But these people, they are on the street right now fighting for you. They said no. Don't you know that you can have more respect as a police officer? I urge you, please, if you really need a good change in your life, a permanent change, support the protesters. Don't kill them, okay? Don't kill them. Don't kill anybody. Just follow them, join them, assist them, protect them, not from any harm. Let them finish this fight, and you will enjoy too. When you take your car to the filling station and buy gas, 100 naira, 80 naira, 50 naira, are you not enjoying it? But if you kill these people, who will do that for you? When you will buy a bag of rice, 20,000, didn't you enjoy it? Now, if you kill these people, who will do that for you? If you are having 24 hours water running, are you not going to enjoy it? Then why do you want to kill these people? Don't kill those people on the street. Please support these people. These people are special. These people are very special. These people are the people that they are brothers keepers. They are crying. They had the crying of the people. They are thinking about tomorrow. They are thinking for the unborn kids. What are they going to do when they are coming? What is going to be their fate tomorrow? That's why these people are right there on the street. Police, military men, please hold your trigger. Hold your trigger. Don't kill them. Please, 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 please don't kill anybody. As you have killed enough, please don't kill any protesters. Just guide them, protect them. Please, they are fighting for you. You have children. You have children. You have family. How are they suffering? Are they in heaven? You are a police officer does not mean that your family are in heaven. Because you don't even have enough money. They are not paying you enough. You are just having a peanut. For that reason, support the protesters. Let the protests continue until Nigeria will be stabilized, till everything will be okay, till at least people will feel that they have a country. Right now, nobody can boast of that. So, I'm going to stop so far, and I urge you to share this video, my beloved brothers and sisters. I am so happy. We can't continue crying. Prof. I quit a your own way. I got an aqua. Oh, yes, ladies and gentlemen, I want to use this very opportunity to thank all my viewers, to thank all my followers, to thank all the people, all my friends, you know, those of you that always, share my post, those of you that always follow me, those of you that always make comment. I say God bless you all. I urge you to continue, and I urge you to visit my YouTube channel, okay? And I urge you to always share, be with us. We are here to make things happen, okay? So for that reason, I am going to round up this very special edition this morning. I'm going to stop so far, and I urge you that I am with you guys. Those of you that are there in Lagos, in anywhere you are, all the hope protesters, I am part of you, okay? I am with you guys, and I pray that God Almighty will guide and protect you. And I pray that your demand will be made. Your demand must be established. Don't panic. Everything will be fine, okay? And at the end, you enjoy. I love you guys. God bless you. Don't be afraid. The Lord is your shepherd, okay? Don't panic. The Lord is with you. Take care of yourself. Catch you next time. I will be surely come back, okay?